Reporting is one of the most valuable parts of access control. With PDK, you can pull 3 different kinds of reports: people, credentials, and events. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at people reports. Let's start by opening up the reports page and clicking on the people tab. Now hit the yellow button that says add report. First, give your report a name. Next, we have to filter out results based on users' information. When you click the add filter button, you'll see a bunch of different filter options that can help you narrow down what you're looking for. In this example, let's search for people who are members of a specific group. Select groups from the drop-down menu. Now we can filter it even more by selecting if we want to find people who are a member of a specific group or people who aren't a member of that group. Now we need to select which group we're looking for and then hit the add filter button. Next, we need to determine exactly what we want this report to display. To do this, click the Edit Fields button and select any information that you want to see, like first name, last name, email, and groups. After determining your filters and outputs, hit the yellow Save button. To actually view the report, click the Preview Report button. This will show you up to 50 of the most recent entries for the filters and output options selected. Then you can hit the Submit button to officially run the report. The results of the report can be downloaded in the Retrieved Reports section. Reporting with PDK is really easy. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.